Hey everybody out there, I'm here to describe my final project, my LED sequence from Breadboard to Autodesk 123D. Right here you're looking at the Autodesk 123D. This is fast motion of me creating my sequence on the breadboard using the 123D. It's pretty easy. Drag and drop. There'll be an explanation a little bit further on about the particulars of that. It's really nice. You can save the project, drop in your code, and keep working on it, save it, copy it, remix it. Really quite a lot of options in the Autodesk 123D. Highly recommended for classroom use. So here I'm just going to do a little simulation here. This is the code running through the LED sequence. In a moment you'll see where that code is housed, so right here. So just you can create it here or copy and paste it into the simulator, and it's you can see here I've got a delay of a 250 or a quarter of a second. Here's your component box. I'm going to just add one more. I'm going to add an 11th LED just for you to see how it works. I'll do that a little bit later. I want to show you how to get in and name your sequence or your project. I want to make sure that you see how it's edited. The nice thing about this is that you could also copy this and make a new one and leave the old one and continue on with your new project. It does load a little bit slow because it's wholly web-based. Here I am pressing edit, waiting for the project to load again. And then I'm going to show you how to put on one more LED and wire here. So here I'm going to my components, bring up the LED, drop it into place, get my resistor, drop it in, and notice that I put the LED in the wrong place. No big thing, I can just pick it up and move it. Here I'm putting the lead wires into the positive, and I'm extending it up a bit just to match the pattern. And here I go, picking up the LED and moving it over, and then I have to connect it to my 11th pin. And what am I about to do next? I think that's it. Alright, and now creating the breadboard. I cut out a piece of corrugated cardboard and I cut off the corners so I wouldn't knock it around, put down some double-sided tape. The breadboard comes with double-sided. You just peel off the back, plug in the ground and the voltage and the plus and minus, and put in my first resistor and the LED next to it, and drop in the pin, the wire for the pin, and the next wire for the pin, and then here you really just keep going along and making sure that no components touch each other. And obviously it didn't take this fast. It didn't go by this quickly. It did take a while, but it's not terribly difficult work. I did have to troubleshoot a little bit. One time I did have a resistor touching one of the LEDs, and I did have a little bit of problem with the code. And there you go with the sequence in action. And that's my project. The next step